Namaskaram and welcome to all the beautiful ladies. Kanchipuram Varamahalakshmi Silks is an eminent house to exclusive hand-woven sarees. Started in the year 2012 from Kanchipuram, Tamil Nadu. Now we have 14 stores all across South India in Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Not just the best prices, we have the best quality and best offers for all our amazing and lovely customers. And please make sure you're visiting your nearest BML store to have a look at the beautiful collection of sarees and of course the lovely interiors too. Today's episode is going to be about beautiful Kuppadam saree, and let's start with the one beautiful saree that I'm wearing right now. This one is a lovely pink color Kanchipattu saree, and we have floral buttees in gold zari all over the body. There's a lot of intricate work inside each and every floral butti. Let me now show you the border. The border which has florals and leaves jal, and we have curvy lines too in gold zari. Very beautiful gold zari work on a pink color saree. Let's have a look at a pallu. The pallu which has zigzag lines in gold zari. We have zigzag lines in 3 different types, giving it a very nice look, very beautiful pattern it is. And we have a lovely self blouse for this beautiful saree. To place an order, all you have to do is take a screenshot along with the item code and send it to 8900010002. Now we are going to move on to the next beautiful saree, a lovely Kuppadam saree. Let's have a look at it. So ladies, here we have a first beautiful Kuppadam saree. This one is in blue and pink color, and let me now show you the body first. The body which has gold zari checks all over it, and we have silver zari floral buttees which are on the edge of each and every zari column. Very beautiful, very lightweight saree, and the colors are extremely beautiful. Silver zari looks very beautiful on blue color. Let's have a look at this beautiful pink color border. The border which has dollars in boxes. First we have gold zari work, and then alternating is the silver zari work. So we have yallis on both sides, and we have peacocks too, and we have florals and leaves jal. Beautiful silver zari work we have on this pink color border. And now let me now show you, again we have cross lines in gold zari. Have a look at the beautiful, this curry pattern is created with the cross lines in gold zari, and again we have dollars in boxes in gold zari. Let me now show you the beautiful pallu for this saree. The pallu which has cross lines on it in gold zari, creating a curry pattern. Contrasting blouse in pink color for this beautiful blue saree. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code and send it to 8900010002. Also ladies, let me tell you about our alternative purchasing process. That is that we have these links mentioned in the description box. Please click on them. The links will take you to our website, that is kanchivml.com. On the website, you can add this saree and many other beautiful sarees to your cart and place your orders right away. We will deliver your sarees to you in no time, so please stay patient and keep shopping only from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Time for me to show you a next beautiful saree from the Kuppadam collection. And I'm back with the next beautiful saree for our lovely customers. This one is a peach with navy blue color Kuppadam saree, and let's start with the body first. The body of this saree has triple zari checks. We have gold zari work on the body, and inside the zari checks we have this small floral buttees. All over work is in silver zari. The beautiful contrast between gold and silver zari is giving a very bright and beautiful look to this peach color body. So let's have a look at the beautiful border for this saree. The border which has peacocks and florals and leaves jal in gold zari all over this purple color border. The contrast between gold and purple is extremely beautiful. It's very royal. Then we have zari line in gold zari, and we also have these polkas which are in silver zari. So there's a contrast between gold and silver zari here. Zigzag lines which are on the pink color side of the border, and diamonds. The diamonds are again in gold zari, giving it a very rich and very royal look. And now again we have polkas in silver zari and zigzag lines in gold zari. Let me now show you the beautiful pallu for this saree. The pallu for this beautiful sari is in navy blue color, and we have this diamond brocade work in gold zari all over the blue color pallu. Let's have a look at the contrasting blouse for this sari, which is again in navy blue color. And to place an order for this beautiful combination sari, please take a screenshot along with the item code and send it to 8900010002. Also ladies, let me tell you that we provide global courier service, which means no matter where you are sitting, when you place an order for our saris from Varamahalakshmi Silks, we will deliver it to you in no time. We have cash and delivery option only available in Hyderabad, and Vivo's prices are valid only for limited amount of time. So you will have to hurry up and place your orders right away to add this beautiful exclusive sari to your wardrobe this festive season. Let me now show you your next beautiful Kupparam sari. Now I'm going to show you a very classic sari, and this one is in a beautiful combination of green with red. Let's have a look at this Kupparam sari. The body of this one has gold zari checks all over, and then we have these floral buttis on the edge of each zari column. The floral buttis are in silver zari, so we have a beautiful contrast between the gold zari, silver zari and the bottle green color of the body. The border, which is in red color. So we have first of all this floral jal, a single line of floral jal in gold zari, and then we have dollar buttis in boxes again in gold zari. Here we have yali with peacock in silver zari with florals and leaves jal. Very beautiful silver zari work is there contrasting with your gold zari. And now we have cross lines in gold zari all over it. Moving on again to the dollars in boxes and small boxes and lines. That is the end of a beautiful red color border. And now a lovely pallu for this sari. The pallu, which has cross lines in gold zari, and again we have yalis in silver zari with peacocks and florals. Very beautiful work is there on a red color pallu. A contrasting pallu is there for a green color sari. There's a lovely contrasting blouse in red color for your bottle green color sari. And to place an order for this one, just take a screenshot along with the item code and send it to 8900010002. Also ladies, let me tell you about a special service that we have for our dear customers who are not able to visit the stores right now. You can take online appointments for video calling, and then we will personalize a video calling shopping experience just for you. We will show you all varieties in saris in various colors and price ranges. You can directly place the order during the video call, and we will deliver your saris to you in no time. So please stay patient and keep shopping only from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Let me now show you next beautiful Kupparam sari. Beautiful ladies, and I'm back for a beautiful sari for all of you guys. This one is a yellow and pink color Kupparam sari. Let's start with the body of this one. The body of this beautiful yellow sari has gold zari checks. The gold zari looks very subtle on the body of yellow color. It looks very elegant though. We have silver zari florals on the edges of these zari columns. Zari, which is in silver, contrasting with the gold zari and yellow color body too. Beautiful combination, isn't it? The border of this sari has this floral and leaf jal in single line, and we have gold zari work. Then we have dollars in boxes again in gold zari. After that we have zari lines, and then we have yalis with peacocks in mirror image design, and this is silver zari work with florals and leaf jal. Very beautiful contrasting silver zari with your gold zari. Again we have dollars in boxes and then gold zari cross lines. Let me now show you the pallu for this sari. The pallu, which has gold zari cross lines. Then we have yalis, we have peacocks, and we have a lot of florals work in silver zari. It's a very lovely sari. There's a lovely contrasting blouse in pink color for this yellow color sari. And to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code and send it to 8900010002. Ladies, let me tell you that when it comes to best quality, best prices and best collection, Varamahalakshmi Silks is always the best in that. If you want to compare, you can always compare in the market, and then you will again see that Varamahalakshmi Silks always gives the best to its lovely customers. On this note, let me show you a next beautiful Kupparam sari. Ladies, I'm back with another beautiful Kupparam sari, and this one is in cool tone colors. This one has two shades of blue. We have blue and navy blue on this one. Let me start with the body of this sari. The body, which has gold zari small checks all over it. Inside the gold zari checks, we have dollar buttis and we have small floral buttis too. It's silver zari work contrasting with the gold zari checks and beautiful work on the blue color body. here is a lovely contrasting border, and the border, which is in navy blue color, has the dollars in boxes in silver zari. After that, we have beautiful peacocks with yallis and florals and leaves jal with pastries. A lot of beautiful work is there on a lovely border in blue color. And then we have cross lines again in gold zari. Again, we have a repetition of this side of design. So we again have peacocks with paisleys, we have yallis, florals and leaves jal in gold zari. And contrasting to that, we have dollars in boxes in silver zari. The beautiful pallu for this sari has gold zari cross lines, we have peacocks, we have yallis and paisleys and floral jal on the bottom of the pallu. And a contrasting blouse for this sari in navy blue color has gold zari lines on it. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code and send it to 8900010002. Ladies, let me tell you, the weavers' prices are valid only for limited amount of time. So if you want the beautiful sari in your wardrobe, you need to place your orders right away for this festive season. Let me now show you a next Kupparam sari. Dear beautiful ladies, this time I'm back with another very beautiful sari, and it's in a very young and refreshing combination of this lovely shade of rosy pink with bright shade of yellow. So this rosy pink color body has zari checks in gold zari all over it, and the gold zari is looking very subtle on the pink color body. Then we have these floral buttees which are on the edges of each and every zari column. The floral buttees are in silver zari. There's a contrast between gold zari, silver zari and the beautiful pink color body. Our border for this lovely sari is in bright yellow color. And on that we have gold zari work. So gold zari looks very subtle on yellow color, but it looks very elegant too. And in gold zari we have florals and leaves jal in a single line. And then we have these dollar buttees in boxes. After that we have silver zari work. On that we have yallis with peacocks, we have florals and leaves jal, and we have this mirror image work. So it's a very beautiful symmetrical design in silver zari. Then we have the cross lines in gold zari contrasting with your silver zari, and again we have dollar buttees and boxes in gold zari. The pallu for this beautiful sari has cross lines in gold zari which looks very subtle on a yellow color pallu, and the beautiful bottom of the pallu has yallis, we have peacocks, we have florals, all the work in silver zari contrasting with yellow color and gold zari too. You have a beautiful contrasting blouse in yellow color for this lovely rosy pink sari, and to place an order for this one, please take a screenshot along with the item code and send it to 8900010002. Our lovely customers, let me tell you that we provide global courier service, which means no matter where you are sitting when you place an order for our saris from Varamahalakshmi Silks, we will deliver it to you in no time. We have cash and delivery option only available in Hyderabad. The weavers' prices are valid only for a limited amount of time, so you need to hurry up and place your orders right away for this festive season. We are now going to tell you that you can place the order by clicking on the links in the description box, and the links will take you to our website, that is kanchivml.com. You can place the order for this sari and all the other beautiful saris by adding them to your cart and placing the order right away. We will deliver your saris to you in no time. Ladies, let me now flaunt my beautiful jewelry. And the jewelry is by Aqua Diamonds based in Banjara Hills. Moving on to my lovely necklace now. The necklace has beautiful pastel colors in it. It's very beautiful. It has very elegant and intricate design on it. I'm wearing these two very lightweight bangles, the bangles which have diamonds on them. And we have these very beautiful diamond rings too. They're very pretty, they are very feminine, they make me look very extremely beautiful, they make me feel extremely beautiful. Let me now show you the studs which have uncut diamonds and diamonds on them, and the nose ring too. The beautiful jewelry is by Aqua Diamonds based in Banjara Hills, Hyderabad. Dear ladies, I hope you enjoyed today's collection, which was beautiful Kupparam saris. They had a lot of lovely zari work on them. We have silver zari and gold zari combination too. I hope you place lots and lots of orders also for festive season. We will be back tomorrow, another time, another episode. Until then, stay safe and keep shopping from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Namaskaram.